Hi, I'm Jason Jurtich. For the past 10 years, I've been giving classes throughout all of Mexico, both at schools and at universities, in English and in Spanish. During that time, these schools allowed me to integrate Google Apps for Education within their pedagogy. Besides this, they allowed me to become a super admin within the Google Admin Console, allowing me to help them use Google Apps on a much higher level. Besides this, I started a YouTube channel, which now has over more than 1 million views and over 2,000 subscribers, and which is based almost exclusively on the use of Google Apps. As well, I started using Google Apps Script, a very powerful tool that helps tremendously most of these schools to become much more efficient in their work and their use of Google Apps. Most recently, I started helping out two Google partners, both APISEC and Educando, on an international level. And now I'm able to help them on a global scale by becoming a Google certified trainer and aiding these schools to become more efficient in the use of these applications. Google has recently added macros to Google Sheets in order to help us automate what we do. Let's see how this works out in practice. First, open up a new Google Sheet, name it, and then go to Tools, Macros, and Record Macro. It will only record what we put in the cells, nothing more. Absolute reference means that if I record the macro in A1, it will only be applied to A1. Whereas relative means even if I report it in A1, I can apply that macro to any other cell in the future. So let's add some text, format it, and then click on Save. Name it what you want, and add a shortcut if you like. You can have up to 10 shortcuts, but you can have more macros than that. Let's click on Save. As you can see, it says Save here. It says Edit Script, which we will see in a second. Let's close that, and then put our cursor or click on E1. And then click on Tools, Macros, and then we can finally click on the macro we created here, Test 1. It will first ask for authorization. Let's click on Continue. Then let's click on our email, and then click on Allow. This will have to be done for each macro that you do in the future. As you can see, it ran the macro and applied everything we did here to here. And we can apply it again to G1 if we so wish, going here again and to here. And as you can see, it worked. Finally, we can go to Tools, Macros, Manage Macros, in order to change the name, change the keyboard shortcut, or even go to Edit Script. This will open up a Google Apps Script, which most of the time is more for advanced users. But the advantage here is I can share it, and other people can add to this in order to make it more advanced, in order to help others work more efficiently in the future. And this makes macros such a powerful tool for organizations.